Hi everyone, we are in the last week of our class, week 7. I am so proud of all the work that you've put into this course and how well you've done. So let's take a look at the week 7 introduction to see what we're looking at for this week. We do have one final chapter that we're going to cover. We don't cover all of it, we just have a few sections in it. And I'm going to click to the next part that shows us the reading and resources so you can see the details. So it's chapter 15. You're going to be covering sections 15.2 to 15.5. There's also the PowerPoint here for chapter 15. And if we look at the practice for it, there are 2 practice problems. The first one deals with section 15.2, and it is having you calculate the firm's operating cycle, cash conversion cycle, and then determining the amount of resources needed for the firm's cash conversion cycle, and then doing a little bit of analysis. The next one deals with section 15.4, I believe, and it is looking at economic order quantity, reorder point, and safety point. It's going to have you calculating the EOQ, determining the average level of inventory. It tells you here to use a 365-day year. We're going to determine the reorder point, and then you just answer the questions about each of the indicators in letter D. So that's what we're going to be looking at for the homework. The other thing that we're going to look at is you do have your exam. So let's look at the exam for a second. We can see that the exam has a total of 50 questions. There is no time limit for the exam. It is due on the 18th, end of day. You have 1 attempt, and you are allowed to use your notes and your book for it. So you can take your time, review all the questions, and that will allow you to hopefully do very well, just as most of you did for the midterm. So please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you again for a great class.